Okay, hi. We're going to try and do a theory tutorial for the grade 5s, and we're going to do the transposition to try and explain how it works, and I want to try and keep it as simple as possible. Now I'm going to work example with taking it up a minor third at this stage. So the first thing we do, if you can see the little arrow there, is you've got to look at your key signature. Don't worry about what's in the rest of the passage. Only look at the key signature. Now, if I am to go, well, first, what key signature is that? That is A major. It doesn't matter whether it's A major or F sharp minor. It doesn't matter what the passage is in, because A major's key signature and F sharp key signature is the same. But we take it as A major. My tonic is an A, isn't it? So, forget about the passage. We're just going to put A in for now. Now, what is a minor third above the note A? Forget that now. We know a minor third above A is in fact a C natural, isn't it? So let's put the C natural here. Now, once you've worked out that the minor third above A is a C natural, that C now becomes your tonic. So therefore, if I was in the key of A major here, I'm now going to be in the key of C major there. Let's work at it another way. Let's say that we're in A major again, and now we want to go a minor third below. So let's take the C, and we're in A major. What would be a minor third below an A is in actual fact an F sharp. Now, if F sharp is a minor third below an A, that then must become my new key signature. So it becomes F sharp major becomes my new key signature. Do you understand that? And that is now my new tonic. Okay, so that's all. It's so easy. Let's get rid of that again, and let's go back to C major. And you are now also doing where you have to go a fifth higher. Let's get rid of that note altogether. We'll just do that. So let's go back here. We're in A major. Our key is A major. My tonic is A. And they've asked you now to write everything up a perfect fifth. What note is a perfect fifth above A? So now forget the key signature. We just want to work the note that's a perfect fifth above A. It is E. Therefore, the new key signature that becomes my tonic will now be E major. Once that's established, you then go on to look at what the actual notes are. Now, each and every single note must now be whatever interval they've asked you to go up or down by must be exact. So we're just going to use this bar for example. So we're in A major. Let's say we want to go a minor third up. So that means I'm going to go to the key of C major, correct? So we don't need to put any sharps or flats in it. So we're just going to put in our time signature. Now I must ask myself, because now I've got the correct key signature, I've moved to C major. Now everything must be a minor third above. What is a minor third above an A? It is a normal C. C. Then we have B, so therefore that is now going to be a minor third above D. A B is a D, which we then have. Then we want a minor third above a G. Now notice it's now a G natural, so it has been lowered. So if it's a G natural now, and I ask myself the question, what is a B above it? That's a major third. You understand? So now if I've got G natural, forget the key signature again, forget that you're in A major. What is a minor third above that? And the answer is a B flat. So you can't just go and put naturals or sharps if they put sharps. You've still got to ask the question, what is that note? Now again, we have C sharp, because the key signature, remember, is A major. That's when it's important. So now a minor third above a C sharp is plain old E. Then we get E flat. Now if we look at E flat, and we're in the key of A major. This is where it becomes a bit confusing. I've taken E and I've lowered it by a semitone. Just for now, let's take away the E flat. What is the third above E flat? Is the note G. This, however, is an E flat. It has been lowered. Therefore, that G must become a G flat. And then that's the same for everything else you do. Let's say now you're in A major and they've told you to go up a perfect fifth. So this must now go into the key of E major. So let's first get the key signature in. Let's do that. Okay, there's your key signature. Now the notes must go up a perfect fifth. So that won't be an E flat, that will be an E natural. The B will stay B sharp, won't it? Because a perfect fifth above the B is a B sharp. This G natural will have to become a D natural, because the note has been lowered. Perfect fifth above G is again a D. Then a perfect fifth above C sharp will be G sharp, which it is, so nothing needs to be changed here. And then a fifth above E flat won't be B double flat. If I'm thinking, it'll be just plain B flat. I hope that makes sense and helps you in that passage. Cheers.